Good afternoon, OPOS stars. Some of you faced problems with the jackfruit jam with charring. I think a couple of moderators also reported that they faced charring problem. So let's see how to fine-tune this recipe. Let me start the stopwatch. Start with adding quarter cup of water, 60 ml of water, and 2 cups of chopped jackfruit. The earlier recipes called for using whole jackfruit, so the contact area might also have caused a problem. So chopping it hopefully will address the problem and resolve the contact area issue. This is likely to give you around half a kilo of jackfruit jam. 2 cups, roughly around 250 grams. I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery powder. Sugar is usually not used in this recipe. One cup of jaggery powder and a bit of ghee, as much or as little as you like. That's it. Close. Let me cook on high for 4 to 5 whistles, then mash the whole thing together. Let me just wait for a whiff of white smoke or a caramelized smell. And let's see if you are able to completely eliminate charring by doing this. If you use unchop the whole jackfruit petals, the contact area, the area which is in contact with the jackfruit and the base is very small. So it's possible that it might cause some burning. Now what you have done is you have increased the contact area by chopping the jackfruit. And hopefully this should resolve the problem. We also added a thick layer of buffer, quarter cup of water. So we are in fact pressure baking jackfruit along with jaggery. So do not imagine you are doing a complicated recipe. This is lesson 2 with jackfruit instead of beans and a layer of jaggery. Now if we face charring this time around, it would just mean that the jaggery has seeped to the bottom. So probably we can use jaggery in PIP and try to eliminate it. Let's see what happens when we open. All seems good so far. No white smoke, no charring smell. And the whistle is coming at the right time. Yeah, pretty intense jackfruit smell. Let it go for 2-3 more whistles. Two and maybe one more. The smell is pretty intense now. I'm not getting a burnt smell, so I'll let it go for maybe a couple of more whistles. Uttara Vivek, jackfruit is available freely. Try this. It's going to take you 5-6 minutes maximum. 6. I'm intentionally letting it go for long to see when I'll get a charred smell. Nothing so far, just the intense aroma of well-cooked jackfruit. So I think the problem with the earlier recipes was with the contact area. Let me stop at 7 minutes. I hope you are able to see the timer here. Stop, release the pressure. Absolutely no charring. Look at it. I think I should have gone for maybe 10 more whistles or so. If I just mash this up, this will solidify. I think we could have easily gone for another 3 or 4 minutes. So what caused the problem in the previous recipe is most likely to be the contact area. This will thicken dramatically on cooling. Look at it. It's already thickening up. And if you're planning to store it for long, optionally, you can cook it uncovered for a couple of more minutes if you like. But this is good to go. Look at that. The consistency is spot on. Let's see how much we have got. Not much, 300 odd grams. I think we can repeat this in a 3 liter, 320 grams. We can repeat this in a 3 liter and get almost a kilo of jackfruit jam. Look at that. Let me show you the consistency. Hang on. See? If I had gone for maybe a couple of more minutes, the consistency would have been even better, even thicker. Now this is good enough. So the old recipe will be updated. Do try this and please post your validations. Thank you very much.